Upbeat music plays scene. A brightly lit room filled with cleaning products, with product A on the left side of the screen and product B on the right. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a battle of the mops. On my left, the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop, a mop that's both stylish and effective. On my right, the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner, the versatile cleaner that promises to tackle all your messes. Let's kick things off with price. The Bissell SpinWave is priced around $154, which some reviewers appreciate for its quality and contribution to helping pets in need. However, some have noted that while it's effective, the battery life is a bit short, which might not justify the price for everyone. On the other hand, the Newbealer comes in at a more budget-friendly $104. Users love its affordability and versatility, making it a great option for those looking for a multi-functional cleaner without breaking the bank. Moving on to cleaning power, the Bissell boasts spinning mop pads that reviewers say effectively clean tile and laminate floors, making it ideal for homes with pets. However, some users struggled with grout cleaning. In contrast, the Newbealer operates on steam, reaching temperatures of up to 248 and heating up in just 20 seconds. This has impressed many users who find it effective for a variety of surfaces, although some noted it doesn't clean everything as advertised, especially glass and carpets. Next, let's discuss runtime and versatility. The Bissell offers about 20 minutes of cordless cleaning, which some find adequate, while others wish for more time. The Newbealer provides 10 to 25 minutes of steam cleaning, but its versatility shines as it can clean windows and grout, making it a hit with users who appreciate its multi-use capabilities. However, some reviews mention it could take longer to clean floors than expected. Now, let's touch on weight and convenience. The Bissell is a bit heavier but provides the freedom of cordless cleaning. Reviewers love this feature, although some find it a workout. The Newbealer, weighing only 3.96 pounds, is praised for its lightweight design, allowing for easy maneuvering around the house, even while snacking. However, some users mentioned issues with stability when standing it up. Overall, the Bissell SpinWave receives mixed reviews, with many praising its effectiveness, but noting battery life concerns. The Newbealer Steam Mop is generally well received for its versatility and lightweight design, though some users have pointed out limitations in its cleaning capabilities for certain surfaces. So which mop will you choose? If you're all about saving pets and enjoy a good spin on your floors, the Bissell might be your best bet. But if you want versatility and steam power, the Newbealer is the one for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Links to both products are in the description. Happy cleaning!